Introducing the Tri-Best Slow Star 2-in-1 Vertical Slow Juicer and Mincer. Experience the taste and nutrition of nature's best with Tri-Best's best-in-class Slow Star Juicer. Start enjoying fresher, nutrient-rich juices today. With its low-speed pressing method of 47 RPM, the Slow Star efficiently juices all your favorites, from apples and carrots to celery and leafy greens. The Slow Star is a 2-in-1 machine. Just simply replace the top of the machine with the mincing attachment to mince a variety of ingredients for your favorite recipes, like sorbets, nut butters, pâtés, and sauces. Unlike other slow juicers, the Slow Star features Duo Blade. The Duo Blade auger creates a double cut for fewer jams, less pulp, and easily breaks down fibrous produce and leafy greens. Duo Blade's dual cutting edges do twice as much work as a traditional auger, and its 47 RPM low speed preserves more nutrients and produces juices with less foam and greater yield. The Slow Star's 200-watt motor and 3-stage speed reduction gears creates the torque equal to that of a 9-horsepower motor. That's twice the force of similar slow juicers. Unlike traditional slow juicers, the 3-stage reduction gears reduce noise and vibration, while the low-speed 47 RPM motor ensures the juices retain their freshness and healthy enzymes. Experience fresher, better-tasting, nutrient-rich juice today with the Tri-Best Slow Star 2-in-1 Slow Juicer.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.